Hi there, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm doing a flip through here of Mushrooms from Days Gone By Mega Pack Series Kit 2. This one is 34 pages and it is jam-packed full of embellishments, ephemera, labels, fussy cuts, and words, and a lot more, tickets, all kinds of stuff. So I did a really good job at filling in all the white spaces on the pages. So lots of embellishments here in this kit. So we'll just get started. We have a page of fussy cuts. The fussy cuts are offered in 3 sizes, large, medium, small. Yes, you could change your printer settings and get smaller sizes. However, I like to just print once and have any size and everything that I would need at my disposal instead of going back and forth and printing and trying to find things on my computer. So I offer most of these in smaller sizes as well. So we have our first page here of our mushroom fussy cuts. As you can see, I have kiss cut them, so your Cricut or Silhouette will pick up the lines easily and cut them out. And there's also kind of like a tea stain color page in the background here. So if you don't get right up to the edges, or you just want to leave a bit of a border and leave this in here, it's not a stark white color. So we have those mushrooms, and then these ones. None of the mushrooms are a repeat of any of my other kits, which you can find a lot of mushrooms in them. So that's really cool. I tried to make sure that nothing in here you've seen before, and I'm pretty sure I nailed it. So we have this cool bingo card, and then I really love these book labels. So you can have a book label that belongs to Phil May, 1895, or just ready for you to put your name in there, or this book belongs to with the leaves. Another cool label here. Or mycology, which is the study of mushrooms and spores. Mycology journal, belonging to. So yeah, really cool to have the book plates to add to the front or back of your journal. Then we have a couple of definitions here, definition of mycology and definition of mushrooms. Not just on labels, but on these 2 tags too, which is kind of cool. And then the labels here are blank, so you can stamp on them or write on them. Some really cool, authentic labels. Everything in here is authentic, vintage images and ephemera and such. So we have some flashcards here. They're full flashcards. I designed them, but the images are all authentic. And then, like I said, filling in all the little spaces with this page here is with these cool labels. Here's your 3 sizes, large, medium, small. The small ones would make super cute little labels. Yeah. And here's some journal pages, or journal cards, I should say. Large, medium, small. And here's some more, large, medium, small. Really cool. Pharaoh's Real Mushroom Ketchup. Pharaoh's Delicious Mushroom Ketchup. Love it. And we have a library card, Mushrooms from Days Gone By. It's been checked out 3 times, as you can see there. Piece of ephemera. Here we have another style of journal card, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 5 more that match it. Look how cool those are, you guys. Really like how it turned out. It's very grungy, very beautiful. Then we have these super cool, tall pockets, and this really neat piece of ephemera that fits in there. Really awesome labels. A couple other pieces of ephemera. Here's another tall pocket. The background on these are different. And of course the card to put in is different. Some more labels, ephemera. Really love these circles. I turned them into, they used to be quite bright and colorful, and I sort of put an aged, sort of old, muted look about them. I really like how they turned out. And then we have a couple pieces of ephemera, some more really cool labels, and then we have a pocket and tag. And this tag, you can see some mushrooms and leaves in the background. However, I left them quite faded out so that you can decorate it with a mushroom fussy cut or something else, and it just creates some really cool layers. And then we have another pocket to go the other opposite direction in your journal, and the tag is different. It's different mushrooms and leaf sort of arrangement and such. So It's really cool. Labels, a really neat envelope, and this card fits in there. Some more of those little spheres, circles. Some really neat ephemera. Yeah, I just love all the distressing and the grungy on this kit. 3 postcards, and then a really cool piece of ephemera or label. I left the stamp off on these on purpose because there's stamps in the kit. So you could either, let me just get to the small ones. So I included stamps that are ready to cut out that don't have any cancellation on them, so that you can make this as authentic as possible. You could cut that out, stick it on there, and put your cancellation stamp over the stamp and the card, so it just sort of brings it all together and it looks more authentic. There's ones, if you don't have cancellation stamps, there are stamps with a cancellation stamp already, and then I offered them in some bigger sizes to make little tuck spots, pockets, and for decorating and such. Yeah, so there's the beautiful stamps. There's some ephemera. Cool circle here with some mushrooms. There's your mushroom ketchup label. More mushroom ketchup. And this really cool journal card. I didn't try, but I did mirror this, and so kind of reversed it when I put the back of this card on there. So I believe you can stick them back to back. I believe. Should be able to. And there they are in a smaller size. So like I said, I think I said anyways, I often will include pieces of ephemera, and I'll have a large, medium, and small. On this kit, it's more large and medium because I just had a lot of ephemera I wanted to pack in here, and it can only get so big. So anyways, yeah, there's that. And then here's some cool labels, ephemera, and a really neat calendar. You can fold that in half and turn it into a journal card, use it for collaging, use it as a big pocket. Really neat labels here, and some cool typography labels. It's a full alphabet, A to F, G to N, L, M, sorry, N to S, and T to Z. These ones are in large, medium, small, both those labels and these labels. Then the next 4 pages are all more labels. I know. I include a lot of labels. You guys must have just mountains of labels. I know I do, and I don't even have half of them cut out, but I love them. I really love labels. So what I did here is all of the background and journal pages, or sorry, more of the backgrounds of kit number 1, the journal pages, are on the backgrounds of these labels. So there's a cool marble page, a leaf page, these red and burgundy page, the marble page, the script, these cool tiles, like they're all backgrounds of the journal pages. So I thought that is super cool to be able to coordinate your pages and your ephemera and stuff with matching labels. And here's another whole sheet of all the backgrounds and patterns and such. So lots of labels. There they are in the large. And then, of course, medium, small, and actually tiny because I had room. And just threw a couple of leaves in there that you could cut out as well. Let's see. Yes, so large, medium, small, tiny, large, medium, small, tiny. So lots of super cool labels. And then these are my favorite labels. Those are cool, but these are awesome. So awesome. I really love them a lot. There's so much grunge and so much layering in them. And these are all mushrooms that are on the journal pages. And this here is on the journal pages as well. So very coordinated. And then we take the colors of the journal pages in the kit, which is our orange, greens, yellows, and browns. And we have some great labels here. More labels. More labels. These are French. These are blank. You could stamp them yourself, whatever you want in there. Here we have some rounds, some cool tickets. And then we have some words. And then I filled in, again, all the little spaces with cool labels and such. So we have the words in I was going to say in mushroom. We have them in sort of this, it's not quite a black or a brown. Yeah, but a dark color. And then we have cool ephemera here, and then we have it in these sort of brown tea stains sort of pages. This background to these is actually one of the backgrounds of one of the journal pages. So again, really matching the same sort of color tones. And then this is one of the backgrounds of one of the pages as well. In green, here's some more green tickets, labels, and this row of strip of tickets right here, which I really love a lot. Super happy with how it turned out. So that is it, you guys. That is the, sorry, just got all the pages here. Let's see. That is the 34-page Ephemera, Labels, Fussy Cuts, and More Kit 2 of the Mushrooms from Days Gone By Mega Pack series. You can find the link to the series in my description box below. You can also find the links to my entire design team and their social media accounts, including their YouTube account. And they will be banging out lots of projects using these kits in the days coming. So if you haven't already popped over to their channel, make sure you do and subscribe so you'll get the notification when they upload their various projects. And there's a freebie that goes with the kit, and it's in Kofi. The link for that is also down below. And that's it. Kit number 2 of the Mushrooms from Days Gone By series. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.